Don't stop.
To get oral. Got 10 cars and the girls like that. I was born and bred to be a Mac. What's your sign is played. You gotta put a little style in your game nowadays. In the 60s, girls was all high. LSD had them giving up thighs. The baby boom was on and I dropped. No more Woodstock, but now you got Mix-a-Lot. So put me in your CD changer. Watch your girl, cause Mix a rearranger. Ooh, he's sexist. Ooh, he's sexist. Keeping Rush Limbaugh restless. I'm the Mac and ass monster. Straight chase girls through the tail cause I won't stop. You can call it whack, but you respect this black. When it comes to game, I'm a monster Mac. Big cat, but the Mix-a-Lot game is tough. Big cat, but the Mix-a-Lot game is tough. I'm a monster Mac. Big cat, but the Mix-a-Lot game is tough. Big cat, but the Mix-a-Lot game is tough.
Strike the pose.
But she ain't nasty as me, cause Mix-a-Lot is stuck on freaky. Can't stop tapping that Tweety. Give it to the needy. Nope, cause I'm too damn greedy. Here I go, walking through the mall. Don't play ball, but I got game for them all. Focus on a victim, focus on a victim. Mr. Richard is hot, so let's sick him. And like a tomahawk jumping on a stud. Girl, you got to give me my pub. The big up king is back, buddy. Trying to give lessons to these fake ass ballers and understudies, but I'm not trying to call you no bitch, girl. Don't give a damn if you're poor or rich, girl. And we can play a little pool. And I'm poking that 8-ball cool. And the booties, I still like the booties. She got a little waist doing squats just to keep me on my duty. Giant size game's what I'm dropping. Straight freaks with them thick old glutes is what I'm knocking. Now the right wing wanna test me. If liking sex is a crime, then you arrest me. But don't tell me who to sing to, Jack, cause a third of your life is in a sack. I'm a monster Mac.